The AI race changed direction. And most people didn't even notice. Everyone's been chasing bigger models, GPT-5, Gemini Ultra, Claude 4. Bigger training runs, more parameters, more GPUs, more money. But in 2026, something unexpected happened. Smart teams stopped racing for bigger and started going smaller. And they're winning. Here's why. What is an SLM? A small language model. These are models under 7 billion parameters. Phi 3 from Microsoft at 3.8 billion. Mistral 7B. Gemma 2 from Google at just 2.6 billion. These aren't scaled-down versions of big models. They are pruned, quantized, and distilled specifically for real-world production tasks. They are designed to do one thing exceptionally well, not everything adequately. Let's compare SLMs and LLMs head-to-head. Latency. An LLM takes 1 to 5 seconds per query. An SLM delivers results in under 100 milliseconds. That's the difference between a user waiting and a user wondering if the app is broken. Cost. Frontier models charge $10 to $30 per million tokens. SLMs cost between 10 and 50 cents. That's a 50 to 100x difference. Privacy. LLMs send your data to the cloud. SLMs run entirely on device or on your own servers. Your data never leaves. And accuracy. On general knowledge, the big models win. But on specific, fine-tuned domains, SLMs are excellent. And they only get better with targeted training. Here's the killer example. Healthcare. A model called Clinical T5 has just 220 million parameters. That's tiny. Yet it matches GPT-4 on ICD-10 medical coding, the standard system for classifying diseases and procedures. A 220 million parameter model matching a trillion parameter model. At 1/500th the size. It runs on hospital servers. It's HIPAA compliant by design. No data ever reaches the cloud. This isn't theoretical, it's in production today. Finance, legal, customer service, the same story plays out everywhere. Finance compliance checks that took 4 seconds with an LLM now take 200 milliseconds with a fine-tuned SLM. Legal contract review hitting 99.3% accuracy. Customer service teams cutting costs by 47% while improving response times. All running on commodity hardware with no API costs and no rate limits. Then there's the privacy revolution. Apple Intelligence runs a 3 billion parameter model entirely on device. Qualcomm's latest NPUs are designed specifically for 7 billion parameter SLMs. Samsung's Galaxy AI processes everything locally. Your personal data. It never leaves your phone. No cloud. No servers. No privacy concerns. Always on, zero latency, completely private. Now let's talk about the cost. Let's say you are running 10 million queries per month. On GPT-4, that's roughly $16,000 a month. Self-host a Mistral 7B on a single A10 GPU and you are looking at about $1,000 a month. Including hardware amortization. 16 times cheaper. Same workload. The break-even point. 2 weeks. This is why the smartest AI teams are building tiered architectures. Think of it like a layer cake. The first layer is your general queries. Use a frontier LLM. The second layer is domain-specific tasks. Use a fine-tuned SLM. The third layer is classification and routing. Use a lightweight embedding model. Each layer is optimized for its specific job. And by adding an SLM layer in the middle, you cut costs by 60 to 80% while maintaining or even improving quality. The bottom line: the biggest model doesn't win. The right-sized model does. In 2026, production AI is dominated by small language models. Faster, cheaper, more private, and more accurate on the tasks that actually matter. The arms race is over. This is Rumi from NMA IT. If this changed how you think about AI, drop a like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'll show you how to fine-tune your own SLM for under $50. Thanks for watching.